Welcome to FinTech Central. This is Byte-Sized Intel, where we break down complex tech and finance topics into simple, no-fluff explanations, all in under 3 minutes. Let's get into it. So what even is an NFT? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. Sounds like a mouthful, but don't worry, we're keeping it simple. Let's start with the word non-fungible. That just means it's unique and can't be swapped evenly. Think about money. A $10 bill is fungible because you can trade it for another $10 bill. They're the same. But an NFT? It's more like a signed rookie card, a one-of-a-kind painting, or a rare digital collectible. Each one is different and can have a different value. Now, the token part means it's digital and stored on the blockchain, which is just a fancy way of saying it's recorded in a super secure online ledger that anyone can verify. Most NFTs live on Ethereum, but other blockchains like Solana and Polygon also support NFTs. So what do NFTs actually do? An NFT is basically a digital certificate of ownership. Let's say you buy a piece of digital art. The NFT proves that you are the owner, even if other people can copy and share the image. You don't own the file. You own the token that represents that specific piece. It's kind of like owning the original Mona Lisa. Anyone can download a picture of it, but only one person owns the real one. People use NFTs for more than just art. They've been used for music albums, video clips, profile pictures, in-game assets, digital fashion, and even real-world stuff like property deeds or concert tickets. An NFT can represent anything from a one-of-a-kind digital sneaker to access to a private online community. And here's something cool. NFTs are programmable, meaning creators can bake in perks like royalty payments. So every time the NFT is resold, the original creator gets a cut. Now let's talk about the hype. Back in 2021, NFTs exploded. Some were selling for hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. People rushed in hoping to strike it rich. But like any trend, the bubble didn't last forever. The market cooled down, prices dropped, and a lot of projects disappeared. Still, the technology behind NFTs didn't go away. It's evolving. Companies are now using NFTs for digital IDs, event tickets, and virtual real estate in the metaverse. So are NFTs a scam? Not exactly, but they're risky. Like any new tech, there's a lot of hype, and not every project is legit. Do your homework. The important thing to understand is this. NFTs aren't just about overpriced monkey pictures. They're a new way to prove ownership, create scarcity, and give value to digital assets. And that's what NFTs are all about. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to FinTech Central for more quick breakdowns just like this. Catch you in the next Byte-Sized Intel.